So guys, sorry, but I have to be posting stuff with my tablet because my phone is dead. So this is slime that actually has been in my my one latest video. A couple hours ago, it was. Okay, so my latest video, I think that was called Satisfying Slime video or something like that. Yeah, so now today I'm going to try to do it's probably going to be a fail because I only have 2 slimes. Like literally I'm just going to split this enormous slime up. Oh guys, yeah, by the way, I bought this tiny rug and it's literally so small. I only bought it for my videos though, so. Okay, so that one, which goes, I have a tin like this. Let me go get that. See, there it is. My flower one. They're actually minimal in my striped one. Okay, so this looks gray, but it's actually purple. I think I already told you that. So basically that, my room's a mess. So basically this is what this goes into, but for the video I'm just gonna go like this. Yes. Okay, get that out of the way. So I'm mixing too much of everything I think that's what it's called. I don't know. But yeah, there's that. And then I have this really old green slime that has dog hair in it because of my brother, because he got some of it stuck. There's not a lot because he got some of it stuck into my dog's hair. So yeah, I'm going to be splitting this up. This was in the other tin. This is actually jiggly slime. It has really good clicking noises, but it's jiggly slime. It stretches pretty well. Jiggly slime doesn't normally stretch, but it actually stretches pretty well to me. So, yeah. And then, I don't know if I can make bubbles. You just saw that little air bubble, but I've never tried to make bubbles with it. Let me. I've never tried to make bubbles with it. I just tried, but it doesn't work, so. Actually, guys, I'm going to try this off camera. I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I tried several times off camera, but it did not work. No, it does not make bubbles. Actually, let me try to do it with my mouth. I'll be right back. Guys, I got a small bubble out of it, but it's dripping. Ugh. That was funny. Okay. Try to get this off. I know this is really bad quality, but guys, this is all I got right now. So, let's start in a second. So basically, I'm going to split this like this. Yeah. Like we got one piece, little tiny piece. They're going to be that big, about this. Oh, and also, guys, I made this slime today. Okay. This is like this. See, this is what you do when you only have 2 slimes. My mom doesn't like me make slime. I have to make these somewhere else. Like, I don't know where. But, yeah, there. And there. Okay, I got 5 pieces out of that. Probably only going to get like 4 out of that one. So there's only going to be like, I don't know, I can't count. So first I'm going to do beads, and it's probably going to be in this one. I'll be right back with my beads. Okay guys, so I got my slime. I actually have 2 kind of beads, so I'm going to do both, but not in this slime. I'm going to do them in separate ones. This is really bad slime to add stuff into, but okay. So these are my first kind of beads. Probably may add all of these, but oh my god, this is so bad quality. Oh, jeez. Okay, get some more. These are gonna be so pretty, I think. They might be. I'll be back when I'm done mixing those up. Okay guys, already with just some in, it's really hard to keep them in, so they're trying to fall out and stuff. And it doesn't really feel that good on your hands. It's really weird, guys. I don't like it too much. Okay, let's add more. It's adding too many of something. Adding too much of everything into slime. I think that's what it's called, guys. I'll get the right title on it, probably. A bee fell out. Okay, let's get more. Jeez. Oh, there's a little heart. Damn. Oh, I have actually 3 types of beads. The next type I'm gonna do, actually I'm only gonna do 2 types, but the other type I was gonna do were these. But these probably won't stay that way, so just don't. Hi, Tiggy Mo. Are you here for the video? Sorry, I'd show you my cat, but my room's a mess, so. Guys, this is actually fun. I'll be back when I get all of those beads in. Okay, I got all the beads in that were in here. I'm probably gonna add more because it looks like they can fit more. So let's try it. Yes. I'll be right back when I get that filled up. Okay guys, it's filled up. Oh my god, there's a butterfly in here, I think. Oh, never mind, there's not. Ooh. Oh, that was just add all those in. Mix it up. Let's try to be quiet. See if we can hear anything. Put my vents on, so. Okay guys, so could you hear that at all? Comment down below if you could. Ooh, let's add more. It's been 8 minutes, I need to speed this up. Guys, I probably will do another video with the other half of this video. I'll do a part 2, yeah, because it's been pretty slow. And obviously, for this stupid tablet, I can only film videos that are 15 minutes long, so. Guys, most of these beads are falling out. I'm gonna try to add more, but actually I'm not even gonna try to add more because they're not even staying in, but listen. Okay, guys, I'll be right back with my other beads. Okay, here's my beads. There are not too many of them, so I'm just gonna split like this one in half because it's pretty big. So, oh, that one in half because it's pretty big. So, yeah, just split it, guys. I can add more slime if I need to, but this should be enough. You know what? I'm just gonna keep them together. I think that might work. Okay. Okay, guys. The first little bit. I like these beads because they're smaller than the other one. Ooh. These already feel really good on your hand. I feel like if your slime was stickier, these would be really good beads for your slime. These are like slime beads. Oh my god, I love these. Dude, guys, they're really pretty in there. And it feels like floam. Floam, guys, floam. I actually had no use for these beads. Wait, I swear if I had more, I'm gonna be so happy. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna look and see if I have more. I think I might know where I have more. Okay, guys, I actually did have more, but not a lot. So here's what it looks like now. Okay, let's keep at it. Oh my gosh, I love these. I wish I could have these in like every slime I own. But no, because I'm wasting it in this video. Actually, I'm probably gonna go to the store like right after this video and buy some of these. And make money. After this, I have to do chores. I have to pick up dog crap. These beads are actually staying in pretty well, guys. So these would be nice ones. They do make your slime thicker, I'd say. I imagine if you stretch it, then it would probably make some of these beads fall out, but I'm not sure. At the end, I will stretch it for you. Oh gosh, I love these. I'm already almost done with these beads, and only like 4 have fallen out. Okay, let's try to finish these beads off. Yes. Guys, I'm totally keeping all the slimes, unless they're like really bad. But this one is definitely a good one. Okay, guys, a moment of silence for this slime. That's the only thing that it affects. Probably this clickiness. That's what I'm just going to say that. Okay. Okay, guys, it's pretty nice. I actually really like it. Now let's stretch it. They actually do kind of fall out, but it's not even that bad. So, yeah. I'll be back with my next one. We got to make this really quick, and then I'll film another video for you guys. Bye. Well, not bye. I'll see you in a second.